besties, Deborah Ene here. Welcome back to my weekly vlog. If you're new here, hi, I'm Deborah Ene. I'm a Nigerian-based YouTuber. I make vlogs, beauty videos, skincare videos, all for your enjoyment. So if you like what you see, kindly hit that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're an OG, I love you. Thank you for coming back to work with me. So today's video is, like the title says, Life in Lagos weekly vlog. I feel like you guys like these ones. They are doing a little bit better than my other vlogs. So I'll keep it here. So if you guys love the vlogs, let me know so I'll keep it coming in 2021. And yeah, so tonight I just wanted to show you guys some of my gym attire that I got this week. I have a new waist trainer and I have some gloves for working out as well. So if you don't know, I have started working out. And let me know in the comment section if any of you guys waist train and if you got any results from that. So let me show you guys. So this is the waist trainer I got. I ordered this from AliExpress. You can also get this from Amazon. Okay, so it's this one that has the bra strap hands. It's a 25 steel bone corset, and it's like, can you see that? I don't know if my camera will focus, but it's latex. So I got a size medium. Oh wow. I also got this wrist strap gloves for weightlifting. I got this from Jumia and it was about $2.5. So you need this at the gym so you don't have calluses on your hands when you're lifting weights or like using dumbbells. And then the waist trainer cost me, this waist trainer was almost 20k, I think, if not more. Yeah, it was quite expensive. And then you can see, you can get this waist trainer in Nigeria from some waist trainer companies on Instagram. So if you really want it and you don't want to wait, I'd advise you to order from Nigeria. It's the same thing. I'm just gonna chill, and then in 2 hours time, I'll take this off, take my bath and go to bed. Tomorrow, I want to go get my hair and my nails done because I want to do some Instagram content. So yeah, what's up guys, we're going to go and get our hair and our nails done today. So today is a mini self-care day, so I'll see you when I'm back. Okay, then he walk pop. Hey besties, welcome back to my vlog. So after getting my hair done yesterday, I got back really tired and I had to I did this packing gel crazy with curly hair. So it's a ponytail. I'm Nigerian, so I call it packing gel, but really it is called ponytail. And I also got my nails done. Can you see? I just got black short nails because these are my work nails because I'm going to be editing so much this month because I have so much content to give you guys. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Deborah Ene. I'm a Nigerian-based YouTuber. I make beauty videos, lifestyle videos, vlogs, fashion videos. So please hit the subscribe button to join the family. So I just got back from the gym. I took a shower, yes, and I stopped by at Blanco. So if you don't know what Blanco is a Blanco is a departmental store. It's just like a banner. Yes. So I want to show you guys some of the things I bought for my smoothies and stuff, and some of the things I like. I didn't get a lot, but I'll show you what I got. I got this almond milk. Can you see? This is called Silk Almond. It has 60 calories per serving. It has calcium for strong bones. And I've tried almond milk before. I'm sure you'll have seen it in one of my other vlogs. That one wasn't nice at all, so I'm trying to give this another go. So this is supposed to be smooth as silk, yes. And I love this little juice packs, juice boxes. It's from Apple and Eve. I got fruit punch, very berry, then apple juice. I love this. I know it's for kids, but I'm a kid. I'm my mom's kid. I also got some peanut butter because the one I had has finished, and peanut butter is actually amazing for you while you work out because it's plant protein and fat. So oh, it smells so nice. Yeah, I haven't tried this one before. So yeah, I got some bread because I like eating peanut butter and bread. So I'm going to make my smoothie now, make my breakfast, which is actually lunch because it's like past 1, and then I want to make an Instagram reel, so hopefully I will vlog that so you guys can see how I do that. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please do. It's simple. It's Deborah Ene on Instagram. Simple and easy. Hey guys, so I just finished doing my makeup now, and I was setting up my camera and like my light situation. And let me tell you, if you're a content creator or a YouTuber, let me give you guys expo. Please set up before you do your makeup or your hair, or before you change into your outfit, because as you can see, I am evaporating. Like, this is not sweating, this is evaporation. Because you know, when you're busy arranging lights, setting camera and stuff, you're working out yourself, so it's basically like exercising. So I'm just sitting down in front of the fan now so that I can calm down and then we can proceed. So yeah. So the last time you guys saw me, I was filming an Instagram reel. After that, I have not like had time to vlog, but I have some goodies to show you. A company that I ordered something from reached out to me after I posted them on Instagram, and they were like, oh, we love you so much, we love your videos so much, let us send you some stuff. And I was like, oh, sure. Ever since I started working out, I've always wanted to like try healthier foods and healthier stuff. So yeah, we're just going to unbox this stuff. And speaking of that, my hair that I ordered just came in yesterday, so I might as well show you guys that too. So I'll just look forward to put my camera and then I'll show you guys the items I got. And I did my makeup and my hair because I just finished filming right now. She just sent me 4 items and I was so excited. I was like, wow, I have never had a brand tell me pick whatever you want. I've had brands send me stuff like gifts, but not this much of stuff. So it came in this polythene bag. It just says dates and co. So she sent me organic date sugar. This is made from dates. If you don't know what dates are Adobe, in house stuff. Dates are amazing, but I really don't like dried dates. I like the raw ones. So this is a 250 gram pack. Wow, this is a full size. So I'm so happy to try this out because I want to cut my intake on sugar so my belly can be flat. So I'm excited to try this out. She also sent me some flax seed. Like, guys, I don't know what to do with flax seed. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I'm going to check out some recipes on YouTube to see how you eat flax seeds. They said they are really amazing for your health. They're high in protein and stuff like that. So yeah. And then she also sent me some fenugreek, and I picked this one myself because fenugreek is good for women. It's good for your hormones and stuff. And then the last one she sent me was some chia seeds. I've been seeing chia seeds all over the place. It's supposedly to be very healthy and it's a very interesting looking seed. So I can't wait to try this out. I've been checking recipes out on YouTube on how to use it, so you guys expect these videos. So thank you so much, Dates and Co, for sending me this yummy package. Hey besties, welcome back to my vlog. So I know the last time you guys saw me I had my hair done, but that hair didn't last at all. For some reason that hair didn't last. I don't know if I didn't maintain it or what she didn't do well, but that hair didn't last. So I just took it out, washed my hair and got my braids because I'm so happy and excited for this delivery, guys. Guess what came? Guess what came? Yes, it rhymes with problem for who no get bone straight for Christmas. Okay, my bone straight just came. I'm so happy, guys. That hair is trouble. I feel like you need to give her a name. You guys should help me in the comment section by giving her a name. I also uploaded a video on the deets about the hair, so if you haven't watched that video, please watch that video. I'm sure I have already uploaded it by now. So today is Saturday and I'm just going to wash and just clean up. So yeah, is the man here or what? Bar. It was really stressful getting here because Rebecca, she messed up our reservation, so we had to walk in because she had to do our makeup 2 times. Yeah. So we got here late. Okay, 2 tones per.
Pr.
So we just got here, guys. It's 5 o'clock and we just got here, so we're about to go back there, take our pictures, order drinks, and have a good time, because this is probably the last time we're going to go out before Christmas. So yeah. So guys, we're at DEBORAH with my girls. Say hi, girls.
Hi.
Why do people say hi like
Happy.
like twins?
Are you going to mute it? Okay. Do like, let me video like this. See.
Come on now, how come we didn't continue
See, I see my motion.